Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install Microsoft Word 2013. But first, you have to download the file from the description below. And after that, you have to extract the file. And there's also an instruction for you to follow. And next, just find the setup and run as administrator. When the app is open, just simply click install.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, it's so cold outside. It's so cold let's go. I don't wanna break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. It's so cold outside. It's so cold.
And that's it. Just launch the file and enjoy.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and